Everybody, I'm doing something that I don't usually do. I am going to do a resin project, specifically this very adorable, cute turtle mold that I got from Let's Resin. Their molds are really solidly constructed. I'm looking forward to this. I am using KS Resin. I am an affiliate of KS Resin, so if you are interested in this, you can save some money using the coupon code CHERISH10. A link will be down in the description below. As you can see, I've got some sea glass here. It's not really sea glass, but that's what I'm calling it. I dyed this probably well over a year ago for another project. These were actually just clear glass, and I dyed them myself with alcohol ink and let them dry. I have two colors. I have this teal, and then that's a lighter teal with gold flecks in it, and then I have this this darker teal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a layer of the glass with a little bit of this glisten mixed in to the resin. I was going to do another color down the middle, but I think I want the whole thing to be this color. And what I might do is I might intersperse. I have some blue. Let me get the blue and I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, I think I'm going to use some of this blue. This is Ashland and this is decorative filler, and yeah, I think I'm going to intersperse that in there for sure. So I do, I've never done this before in a mold, so this will be interesting. I'm going to start mixing up my paint and going for this. Wish me luck. Hopefully this isn't too much of a mess, because if you know anything about resin, oh, the stickiness is like unreal. Okay, here I go. Okay, you don't learn if you don't try. I think next time I do this, I will fill in these legs first, because I'm worried that they are not going to look the same as the rest, but that's okay. And I'm also worried, I can't tell. I really hope there's not an air bubble right there. And if I stick something down in there, I'm pretty sure it's going to explode. Let me see what I can do. Okay, I have some leftover stone and resin, so I'm going to do one more thing here. Okay, he is cured. Looks really cool on the bottom. Let's see if I ended up with I don't feel a bubble, but I don't know if I'll feel it. All right, let's see how I did for my first ever turtle mold. Actually, to be honest with you, this is my first ever thick mold. This is really thick. I might not be able to do this. My husband might have to do this for me. Let's see. For those of you who don't know, I have rheumatoid arthritis in my hands. I was born with it. So this kind of oh my goodness. This kind of task is a little difficult sometimes. Oh, this is coming off very nicely. Oh my goodness, this is coming out great. Oh, this is one of the easiest things I've ever unmold. Oh, he's awesome. Uh-oh. I'm a little problem with the head. I might have to, oh, no. I thought I was gonna have to spray him. Oh my goodness. He is awesome. Oh, wow. That is adorable. I was right about the legs. They are a little bit more translucent than the rest of the body. That is okay, because he's pretty cool. You can see the gold flakes in there. Oh, he's really awesome. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this again. I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit right here and right here. And there ended up not being any bubbles in his head here and his snout. I thought for sure there'd be some, but this is actually quite heavy with all these, all this broken glass in here. But wow, he's adorable. I'm definitely doing some more of him for sure. All right, now I did this tray to use up the leftover resin. So we'll see what this looks like. This has a little bit more glisten in it by TOP, by this little piggies. We can get them as at Fluid Art Co. The link will be down in the description below. But this one, oh, my first bubble right there, which is wonderful. I can very easily sand that down. But I ended up using more glisten in this than I did in the turtle. Oh, look at that side. That's so cool. So I do wish I had started putting down the rocks and the broken glass down in the edges first. Oh my goodness, I'm having such a hard time. Here we go. Instead of doing it in the middle, that way more of the rocks went down to the edge. But I think from what I can see, it's not going to make a difference. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. I have a little bit of a break right here where there's no rocks, and I don't care because it's so cool. Wow, that is really neat. What a nice tray. I've never done a tray before. This is cute. Yeah, I can see the sparkle and the glisten. If you look at it on the back, that glisten is really showing up right there. But I like it from the side. Yeah, this is cute. This is gonna be really great for my loose change, and when I take my jewelry off before I put it in a jewelry box, or even just looking for my keys. This is cute. I'll definitely have to make some more of these. I actually mixed up some more broken glass and shells and made some pretty cool iridescent colors. Look at this purple I made. And I made this with velvet pigment powder by TLP, and also with a light magenta alcohol ink. And I love the shimmer from the velvet that I added on there, so that's pretty cool. So it's kind of cool that you can use your TLPs to color up your broken glass too in your shells. So I'm gonna do some more projects with this, that's for sure. Like I said before, I am a KS Resin affiliate, so if you would like to purchase your own, the link is down below, and it is Cherish 10. And I hope you all have fun making a glorious creative mess. See you all in the next project. Thanks for watching.